Hey there, so you're thinking of buying a home and you just don't know where to start. Hello, I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Maybaum Real Estate. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. I've been in the industry for many years and I've assisted hundreds of buyers over the years. Here's how we help you. First, we make sure that you are qualified to purchase a home. You'll know things like what types of loan you can qualify for and the full payment amount, including the interest, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're qualified, we'll go on the house hunt and make sure you are fully aware of neighborhoods, schools, and anything that could possibly be problematic with the area or home that could affect the value later on. Then we'll help you negotiate an offer in a way that is beneficial for you and the seller. Once it's accepted, we'll submit your initial deposit and start scheduling inspections and the appraisal. We are diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we can keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary to or not to ask for from the seller. We will be in constant communication with all of the parties in the transaction to ensure that your best interests are covered and that we can close on time. There are so many more parts to the transaction. I could be here for a few hours telling you, so better yet, give me a call and I'll become your trusted advisor, walking you through step by step and ensuring you make the right decision all the way until we give you the keys to your new home, even becoming lifelong friends. And don't forget, the seller covers our fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to utilize our services, but I can guarantee you it will cost you if you don't have proper representation from an experienced professional who is on your team. Give me a call and let's see how we can get you into your new home.